Gabriel, and this is my little brother,
Daniel.
Today, we would be unboxing this extreme air hockey made by Kids Zone. Let's see what's inside.
One by size.
It comes with 2 packs and 2 pushers.
One pack.
Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye!
Bye.